If you're a small business owner or thinking about starting your own business, understanding taxes is key to keeping more money in your pocket. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 tax advantages for LLCs in 2025. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video because you're not going to want to miss all of the information that we have for you today. It could end up saving you a lot of money, so be sure to stay tuned. Also, just a disclaimer here, this is not tax advice. This is for informational purposes only. Please consult a professional to see what's right for your specific business situation. Okay, let's get right into it. Taxes can be super confusing, but if you set up your business correctly, you can take advantage of some major tax savings. LLCs, or limited liability companies, are one of the most popular structures because of their flexibility, legal protection, and some serious tax benefits. So let's break down exactly why an LLC can be a smart move for your business and how it can help you keep more of what you earn. One of the biggest reasons why business owners choose an LLC is because of the pass-through taxation. This means that your business itself does not pay taxes. Instead, any profits go directly to the owner, and then you'll have to report those profits on your personal tax return. So why is this such a big deal? If you're operating as a C Corp or corporation, you're going to be taxed twice. Once at the corporate level, and again when you take out money as dividends. That's called double taxation, and it can eat into your profits very fast. But with your LLC, you only pay taxes once, and they're on your personal tax return. This makes tax filing simpler, and you can save thousands of dollars each year, especially if your business is very profitable. But there's something even better. If your business has losses in the first few years, those losses can offset other income on your tax return, reducing your total tax bill. That's why a lot of new business owners love the LLC structure. One of the best parts about running a business is you get to write off a ton of business expenses. And as an LLC owner, you get to write off anything that's an ordinary and necessary expense for your business. This includes things like office supplies, marketing and advertising costs, business meals and travel, equipment and software, your website and hosting fees, and even your phone bill if you use it for your business. One of the most overlooked deductions that's actually become really popular in recent years is the home office deduction. If you work from home, you can actually write off a portion of your rent or mortgage, utility, and internet. The key is to make sure that you have a dedicated workspace that you use exclusively for your business. I remember when my accountant told me this for the first time, I was mind blown. So this is just one of the many things that you can expense as an LLC owner. And at the end of the day, every dollar you deduct is a dollar that you don't have to pay taxes on. So keeping track of your expenses throughout the year is crucial. So if you've ever looked at your paycheck, you know that self-employment taxes can be brutal. As a business owner, you're responsible for both the employee and employer side of Social Security and Medicare taxes, which add up to about 15.3% of your income, and these are called your self-employment taxes. But here's where owning an LLC gives you an edge. If your business is making decent money, you can elect your LLC to be taxed as an S corporation. This allows you to split your income into 2 separate parts. The first is a reasonable salary, which is subject to self-employment taxes. And the second part is business profits, which are not subject to self-employment tax and can be distributed as a distribution. So for example, let's say your business makes $100,000 in profit. If you're a sole proprietor of a regular LLC, you're just going to pay self-employment tax on that full $100,000 of profit. But if you switch to have your LLC elected as an S Corp and you pay yourself a reasonable salary of $50,000, you're only going to pay self-employment tax on that $50,000. The other $50,000 of profit is going to be a distribution, and it avoids that 15.3% self-employment tax. This strategy alone can save you thousands of dollars per year if you file Form 2553, that's to elect your LLC to be taxed as an S Corp. But be careful because you have to make sure that your salary is reasonable in the eyes of the IRS. If you try to pay yourself too little, it could trigger an audit. Now, it is a bit of a gray area what is considered a reasonable salary. You have to do a bunch of research to see what is the reasonable salary for your specific title in your specific area. And if you want more information about this, we won't go too into depth here on this video, but we do have a video on the channel where we talk about everything you need to know about electing your LLC as an S Corp. Be sure to check that out. We'll have it linked down below in the description. So as a business owner, you don't have an employer setting up a 401k for you. But you do have some access to incredible retirement plans that come with big tax benefits. With an LLC, you can contribute to a solo 401k or SEP IRA, both of which allow you to save for retirement while reducing your taxable income. For 2025, the solo 401k are expected to be over $66,000 if you maximize both employee and employer contributions. That's a huge deduction that can help you build wealth for the future while reducing your tax obligation. If you have employees, you might also consider a simple IRA, which allows you to contribute on behalf of your team while still giving you tax breaks. The bottom line is that using an LLC to set up a retirement plan gives you more control over your financial future and can help you pay less in taxes every year. One of the best things about an LLC is that it gives you options. You're not locked into just one way of paying taxes. By default, if you're a single member LLC, the IRS treats you as a sole proprietor. If you have multiple owners, then you're taxed as a partnership. But you also have the option to elect as an S Corp like we talked about, or even a C Corp if it makes sense for your business. So for example, if your business is growing and you want to reinvest your profits, electing to be taxed as a C Corp might help you take advantage of lower corporate tax rates. On the other hand, if you want to save on self-employment taxes like we talked about, then you might want to consider electing as an S Corp to save money on self-employment tax. This kind of flexibility is a huge advantage over other business structures like sole proprietors or traditional corporations. LLCs offer you a lot of tax advantages that'll help you keep more of your hard-earned money. So let's recap here briefly. Pass-through taxation means no double taxation. That's one of the main benefits of an LLC versus a corporation. You can deduct all of your business expenses, including your home office, if it's designated just for your work. By electing your LLC as an S Corp, you can save on self-employment tax. Retirement contributions can lower your taxable income while building wealth. And lastly, you have flexibility in how your LLC is taxed, which is one of the best benefits of an LLC. If you're serious about lowering your tax bill, working with a CPA or a tax professional can really help you out to take full advantage of all of the tax benefits. All right, now that you know all of the tax advantages of an LLC, we just briefly wanted to tell you about Northwest Registered Agent if you haven't started your LLC yet. If you click on the link down below in the description, you can start your LLC today for just $39. It's a really great deal. They also offer a free year of a registered agent service where you can keep all your information off the public domain. This normally is a value of anywhere from $99 to $300 or $400 per year, and it's free for the first year. We love Northwest Registered Agent. We recommend it to all our friends, so be sure to check that out down below in the description. And if you do choose to use our link, we do get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you. This really just helps us keep creating free videos like this for you. So thank you so much in advance for helping us out there. Guys, if you got value from this video, please leave us a like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this in the future. This channel is dedicated to educating new and existing business owners on the best platforms and tools out there to help you set up, manage, and optimize your LLC. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We wish you the best, and we will see you back again in the next video.